Somebody please help me! Just do it, please!
I got no other choice!
No! I know where's your son.
What?
Our kindergarten used to be such a happy, healthy place where everyone would learn from another and love each other. Jumbo Josh would teach the kids how to eat healthy. Then there's Stinger, Finn, whose job was to educate the children so they would always support each other. Captain Fiddles would talk a lot and you could only understand a few things. Banbalina would teach the kids how to be kind. Ban Ban was the leader and he had the ability to teach how to share.
I'm sorry for that.
Do you want to share this sandwich with me?
Yay, let's do it!
Whoa, that's impressive!
Oh! My ice cream!
And me, I'm Opila.
This.
And my job was always to keep the children smiling.
But what happened to my son? And the
Fine, it's
garden?
fine. I'll tell you more about your son.
Oh?
He would get along with Banbalina. She loved him a lot.
It's adorable.
One day, Ban Ban went crazy and told everyone that every children's pancreas would be for him. He got that mad that he even tried to hurt us. But Banbalina got in a room with your son. Ban Ban saw them and went for blood. He hit the door a few times, but Banbalina wouldn't open. She even added some planks to hold the door, but Ban Ban ended up getting inside and only took Banbalina with him. Your son was really scared and suddenly, Captain Fiddles appeared.
Hold on a second. Sorry, I just can't believe you.
What do you mean? Come on!
Oh boy, that was too much. And what if it was all true? A ticket to Madrid? What is going on? An elevator? What is it doing here? Jeez! It's going down! Who's there?
I was just...
Please, don't hurt me! I'm begging!
It's fine, dude. I'm not gonna hurt you.
What do you mean?
I think I know where your son is. He was a marvelous boy. Everyone would be friends with him. He paid attention, would eat well, and shared his toys with everyone. But Ban Ban was a really jealous person. He didn't like the kid. Until one day, he lost his mind and started destroying everything. I helped Banbalina to hide your son, but he was too powerful, and he defeated me. Yeah, so that's what happened.
Thank you for saving my son. I really appreciate it.
Watch out!
Whoa, whoa!
Jeez!
No!
Out! Are you okay?
You saved me.
It's fine, we are together.
Please, let me go.
Oops, I did it again!
Disgusting. This is so sad.
Hello!
What?
Hey, I know what you can do to escape. Look!
Whoa! Awesome! Bye-bye!
Take care, buddy. Oh no!
What are those noises?
I had to do something.
Hey!
I'm here.
I'm watching you.
Am I there yet? Let's go! I'm free! Oops.
Stop right there!
Oh boy! Hey! I got something for you!
Ah!
Oh boy, there's no other choice! What the? I'm getting super fast! It's Sonic time!
Come here! Huh?
Come on, open up! He's coming! I'll drink it!
Ouch!
Turtle!
Huh?
Ouch! That hurts! Jesus!
You won't run! Don't worry, kid. Take this gun.
Whoa! Oh yeah!
Huh? What do we have here? Huh?
What you looking for? Yay! Thank you, Red!
My pleasure, kiddo. Look!
Player, come with me.
Oh, this is the exit! Thanks, Purple! Alright, I'm really close! Oh my god, I can't believe it! Freedom! Ah!
Where are you going? Take this!
No! Please stop it! Oh my god!
Hey, remember your super gun.
Oh, that's right!
What? Please, that shoot was nothing.
Oh, it's not effective! Ah!
Look at your face! Take this!
Whoa! Stop! Please! Ah! I'm too weak. What is that?
Look, I bring this jetpack.
Whoa, amazing!
Use it.
Now I'm ready to fight!
Ha! You won't beat me!
Are you sure? Easy peasy!
I can't believe it!
Well, you better!
Huh? Oh! No!
And the other one!
Huh?
Mission complete!
Oh!
Finally, it's over!
Hey, are you coming with us?
Of course! Let's go! It feels great to win. Is anyone here? Please, I'm freaking out! Hello? Where is everybody? Oh, look! A key! Let's see where this takes us. Open up! Really? Another door? Whoa! What's going on? What the heck is that?
Who's there?
Holy spaghetti! I thought I heard someone. Is he gone? I better leave this room. What the?
You made it, player.
I saw nothing. Hey, door with eyes? This is insane!
Come back here.
Just leave me alone. I've got nothing for you. Close it. Go.
Where could he be?
Oh man, this is one scary looking dude. He's gone. Oh god damn it! Just leave me alone, dude! I'm finally safe!
Who's there?
Oh, this place is full of monsters! Wait a minute! A golden lock! I wonder what's in there! Jeez! I think he's a bit blind. I gotta be quick! Give me that! Got it! Just gotta put the combination! Now or never! And done! Oh crap!
Huh?
I messed up! Holy meatballs! It's coming for me! Damn, that was close! What is that? Sorry man, didn't mean to step on you. Bye-bye! Gee, so many doors! What is happening? Well, thank God I brought my sunglasses. See you later.
He didn't even see me.
That looks like an elevator. It's my way out.
I can smell fresh human meat.
He's back. Closer time.
Come out!
I'll have to control my heart. Otherwise he'll hear me. I'll slowly get to the elevator. I made it! I finally survived! Oh my god! Stop! Not today!
What a nice day to kill some players! Oh, here comes one.
Do I hear something? Oh, nice! It's a cube!
Who's there? Another one!
Finished!
I'm still hungry! Here they come!
Yeah, and then she told me. What the? No, baby, you're stuck. Oh no!
Need help? There's no escape!
I need to escape now. Where is it?
Get back here! Open up! This is your
Hey,
end!
Blue!
Get back here! Where are you? Here you are! What?
Did you say something?
Wait, what? I can't touch you. This is ridiculous. I'm tired of this. It was a trap.
Hey, there's a key.
Where? Oh, yes!
Let's get out of here together.
Not so fast,
Ah!
friend.
Come on, hurry up! I'll distract him.
Please, you'll die!
It's okay. Bring her on, Blue!
I'm gonna be alone forever. All my boyfriends are dead.
I'm here.
Baby, we're finally together.
Come on, boy. We gotta hurry.
Starving.
Ah!
All right, guys. Hide and seek.
What? Where did everyone go? This thing just make a sound? I could swear I heard it.
Phew, that was close. Jeez! You scared me with that.
You should have seen your face.
Oh no! Behind you!
Huh?
I'm starving to death!
It's over.
Should I save him? It's too late. Yummy! Fresh meat. Oh boy. Wait, who's that?
What's that sound? Never mind.
Shh.
Be quiet, they're handing.
Where are you going? Wait for me.
Where?
Oh jeez.
Gotcha. There's something up with his chair. That's weird.
Phew. This is kinda fun actually. What? Back to traffic cone. Dude, did you hear that?
Yeah, but
You're
let's not
coming
panic.
with me!
Oh no! You won't catch me alive! Run faster, run faster!
Jeez, he's pretty fast!
Come on! Duh! Okay, I'll turn into a box.
Gotcha. I know they are here. I can feel it. What? Who's messing with me?
Troll. Oh no, they got me.
Get it away from me!
They got the cyan cop! Sorry, buddy! You're surrounded! Whoa!
Grab him!
What do I do now?
You have no way out.
Just give up!
We mean it!
Oh no! It's over!
You have been causing too much trouble.
It wasn't just me!
What's up with this job?
No!
What? Time's over!
I won!
Who's behind me? I swear I heard something.
I'm right here! What you doing in here all by yourself?
Oh, hey, Blue.
I don't care at all!
Is
I
that all
guess.
you've got? Give me that crown.
Hey, don't touch my stuff!
I
I'm
bet
faster
you can
than you
catch me.
think!
Ouch!
Why are you running in my hallway, little lady?
Uh-oh.
And give me back my crown!
I was just playing around.
She must be punished! No, you taste good!
Don't you dare! I must defend myself. You dummies!
Whoa, she has some nerve.
I know!
No one is willing to play with me.
What's going on?
This sucks.
Is that crying chicken next to Purple's house? It looks yummy!
And what do you want?
I wanna eat!
Oh, wait! I have something for you.
Hold on! Are you for real?
Good boy.
Yum, 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 yum. I'm kinda hungry too. Please, you're feeding the bad guys.
Oh! I didn't see that! Ah!
Wait, that's not fair! You shouldn't mess with kids! You get back in that hole! I'm thinking!
Huh?
Hey guys, have you seen this little girl?
Nobody. She just ran from us.
Oh, it was nice meeting you. Oh, well, that sounds like her.
I hate feeling like this.
What's going on, little lady? Wanna play with us? You have no choice now.
What do I do? Think, Playette, think! Huh?
We were just testing you. You guys made her laugh. See? We're not that bad after all. Come on, I wanna hug too. So unfair.
Open sesame! What?
I'm sorry, bud.
Oh no! Please turn it off! Play your stuff! At least do it for me, please!
Who is she? That's the cutest girl I've ever seen.
Oh!
You're right. Let's do it.
Yay! Oh? That hurt! Now you'll pay for this! Ah!
Told you.
Take this, you dumb mummy!
Whoa!
Ah! Stupid kid! You don't know what you did! Help me, please!
What do I do?
Don't you worry, my dear.
Oh!
Hands, attack!
Ah! No!
Huh? You won't take her! Huh? Time to get serious! Tickle punch!
Huh?
Finally! Whoa! Oh!